In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expertly export your video projects using Filmora and customize them to the frame rate you desire. Whether you're working on a creative masterpiece or a simple home video, ensuring your video is exported correctly can make all the difference in achieving that professional quality. Now let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open up Filmora on your computer. If this is your first time using it, Filmora is a powerful video editing software that's user-friendly and packed with options for video editing enthusiasts and professionals alike. The interface is designed to be intuitive, but if you're just starting out, it's always helpful to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you have Filmora open, navigate your way to the export section. This is an important step because exporting is the final stage before your video is ready to be shared or stored. In this section, you can fine-tune how your final product will look, sound, and feel. So finding the export option should be relatively straightforward. You'll typically find it on the top menu bar. Go ahead and click on it. Now here's where it gets interesting. When you're in the export section, select the advanced settings option. This is where you can really start getting into the nitty-gritty details of your video's output. The advanced settings allow you to alter various aspects of your video, including its frame rate. Choosing the right frame rate is crucial depending on the type of video you're producing. For instance, a higher frame rate like 60 frames per second can result in smoother motion, perfect for action-packed content or gaming videos. On the other hand, 24 frames per second is typically what you'd use for that cinematic feel. Once you've chosen your desired frame rate, just ensure that all your other settings meet your project's needs. Double-check all these settings to verify that everything is in order and reflects the outcome you want. Once you're confident in your choices, proceed to click that export button. Congratulations, you've successfully adjusted the necessary settings in Filmora, and your exported video should now reflect the changes you've made. You've transformed your project into a polished piece ready for audiences. As we wrap up, keep in mind that exporting your video with the correct settings can significantly impact the quality and professionalism of your project. Each video project will have its unique requirements, so don't hesitate to experiment with different settings to understand what works best for you. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you now feel more confident in your video exporting process with Filmora.